Legends of Learning presents the Tiny's Tale Game. This is a science game that makes learning about collisions and forces fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Tiny is a little 9-year-old who has lost his treasure. A mouse entered his house and stole his collection of buttons. Tiny cannot walk, so he built a wheelchair to move and go through any obstacle on his way. The mouse has also stolen many other objects, like iron marbles, wooden sticks, and other things that Tiny can use to go through the mouse house and get back all his treasure, because his wheelchair has a magnet on it. Use the mouse to click on the different buttons to use the magnet to attract or repel the metal balls, to complete tasks, to move on to the next area of the map, to collect all the treasure. Use the A and D keys to move left and right, and use your magnet to solve puzzles. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.